Hi, everybody. Welcome to our Reading Goal Challenge for 2019, where you can win $250 for your school, plus get valuable information that will transform your educational practices in 2019. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Diane McKinley, and I'm the owner of Encompassing Education. And we support educational leaders just like you as you identify needs and build capacity and promote growth to ensure that all students are able to meet their maximum potential at your school. Well, this year, we're going to be hosting a reading challenge where you can win $250 for your school just for participating. Here's how it's going to work. The goal is going to be to read 10 professional books. We've already chosen them for you. Super simple. I think you're going to love them. They're very exciting. And you're going to read those 10 professional books, and we're going to talk about them throughout the year. There is a link on this video now that you'll be able to download a free guide that will give you the goal, your rules, the tips, and it'll give you a month-by-month plan. Now, I already know what you're thinking. Life is busy as an educator. It is hard to find time to read when you have papers to grade and lesson plans to work on and create. You got meetings to attend, and you definitely have life to live. But don't worry, I got you. Each month, I am going to be posting a reading plan for you to use. This will be a doable reading plan. While I'm not in the classroom anymore, I am still an educator. And believe me, teaching adults requires just as much planning and meetings to attend and just as much time, especially with travel, that'll rival a lot of grading plans as well. But teaching that just requires just as much time. So I totally get how busy you are. I'm there with you. We're gonna make a really doable plan so that we can read together, talk together, still get a lot of great information without spending time all night long staying up trying to cram in. We've all been part of those book clubs where you get there and you kind of twiddle your thumbs and say, oh, I didn't really have the time to read that book. Don't worry, we got it. So back to the guide. Once you download the guide, you're going to want to print it off and laminate it, put it in a protective sleeve, put gold around it. Just kidding. You're going to want to put it somewhere, though, that you see it regularly to help remind you. That's kind of the point of making goals, is that we have quick reminders that help us to do just little bite-sized chunks so we eat our elephant one bite at a time. I will put the plan on Facebook each month at the beginning of the month so that you can see, all right, this is how I can divide up my time and be able to read all of this to be done at the end of the month. Don't worry if you don't have the opportunity to come on there when I'm posting things. It'll always be there for you to go back and check it out. And at the end of the month, I will post a live Facebook video so that you can watch the information about what I'm going to share about the book, my takeaways. You will be able to then comment in the sections below so that you can interact with me. You can interact with one another. You'll be able to comment to one another about what your takeaways are. So make sure you're following our Facebook page. That'll give you updates when I go live. And if you're not able to join me live, you'll still get information that will tell you that a live video has been posted and you can watch it afterwards at your own time. So each month I'm going to post that monthly plan. You'll be able to download it and modify it to your needs. So if you don't want to read it exactly the way I have it laid out, no worries. You can change that document up so that you can create a plan of your own. Some of you might rather binge read, and that's all fine. I don't binge read because then I never will read, but you can do it so that you want to binge read. If you want to, I'm going to make it so that it's little bite-sized chunks for the rest of us who need a little bit at a time. At the end of the month, when I go live with that summary of the book, you're going to go in and make sure you comment. That's how you get entered to join the drawing for the $250. So I will lay out the plan for you. In January, you're going to have a super simple task. I'll talk about that in just a minute. Then you're going to get to start in February reading your books. And then in December, there will just be a big wrap up and a celebration and a giveaway that will be so fun for everybody. So you're going to make sure that you comment each month, even if you don't quite get finished with the book. That will ensure that you're able to join us in the $250 giveaway at the end of the year. So to boil it down, February through November, you're going to be downloading the reading plan, reading and commenting to the Facebook Live video, and it's that simple. So what about January? Well, you're already on the right track. You're watching the video now, and then all you have to do is download that document that I have for you free that is linked in the section above. And then underneath this video, go ahead and comment if you're in. If you're going to join us and you're going to be in on this plan, go ahead and comment below if you have already looked at what some of the books are. And I'll tell you, the first one for January is Creative Schools, The Grassroots Revolution That's Transforming Education. And so if you're in and you're excited about one of the books on our list, we've got 10 of them, then go ahead and comment below. Let us know that you're going to be joining us on this goal setting challenge and that you're all in for the $250 giveaway that's going to happen in December. And then in December, I will go live the second week to wrap up our goal, to tell you who's won, to do some celebration. So if you want to be eligible for the $250 giveaway, you must post monthly to the live video. Even if you don't watch it live, watch it in the review and make sure you post each month. Those who don't see this video until February, no worries, we still gotcha. Just go ahead and make sure that you post to this and then you join us in the challenge in February to be eligible, because that's when the actual reading starts. If you know anyone else who might be interested in this, please share this with them. The more the merrier. It's no fun to have a book talk by yourself. We really want to make sure that we have as many educators as we can that will join us in this exciting session, so that we can have some book talks along the way. We can challenge each other's thinking. We can agree and disagree, and we can get some great tips and helpful information as we move forward. I'm telling you, I'm super excited about this list. If you haven't seen the list, or if you want more information on it, once you click on the link that is here and you download, there's also a link there, and I'll post it in the comments below, to a full list of the books that you can just click right on there and purchase them off of Amazon, so that you don't have to worry about searching for them all over and price comparing and all that fun stuff. Amazon has really done that for us. You can click on that. You also can go to our blog section. And in our blog section, I've got reviews or information about each one of them. It's not really a review. Some information, a summary of each book, so you can kind of get a little bit of flavor of what's going to happen for each month. And you can look at that in our blog section if you go to encompassinged.com. Remember, encompassing is with an I-N. And you can see us there in our blogs. You will see the reading list for 2019, and it is going to be fabulous. Again, our first book in January is going to be Creative Schools, The Grassroots Revolution That's Transforming Education. It is by Kevin Robinson. So educators, let's rock this 2019 goal. Super excited to have you join us. Can't wait to hear from you.